In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable reply all in Outlook. By enabling reply all, you'll be able to compose one message, and when you send, it will be sent to all the emails that are on the same thread. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now to do this, log into your Outlook account and then go to settings on top. From here, click on mail under settings and choose the first option, compose and reply. Then scroll down to reply or reply all, and you're told choose your default response when you reply from the reading pane. Currently it is set to reply, which means if I have a number of emails on a single thread, I'll have to select each and every address to reply to. However, to make it possible such that I can reply to all by one mail, proceed and choose reply all. Then click on save to effect these changes. So that's how you can enable reply all in Outlook. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.